Dear colleagues and friends, my name is Valentina Arsic-Arsenijević and I'm full University Professor of Medical Microbiology, University of Belgrade School of Medicine, Serbia. Also, I'm the President of Serbian Society of Medical Mycology, and it is my great pleasure to present here at ECMID the Serbian Society of Medical Mycology. And it is my great pleasure to present the Serbian Society of Medical Mycology during ECMID 2025 meeting in Vienna. Our society was founded in 2008 with the goal to improve human health and to reduce morbidity and mortality caused by fungal infections or diseases. Additionally, our members aim to design new tools for application in medical mycology by utilizing knowledge, science, and innovation. In this way, we have continued to follow the effort of the founder of medical mycology in Serbia, Professor Sima Milošević, who founded it in Belgrade in early 1920. From 2008, the key activities of Serbian Society of Medical Mycology have included organizing national educational meetings focusing on the diagnosis and treatment of fungal infections, as well as publishing scientific data from Serbia. To date, we have organized more than 10 national conferences with over 1,000 participants. All Serbian Society Medical Mycology REACH activities have been incorporated into activities of study group of ECMID, ISHAM, and ECMM. One of the most significant achievements is the ongoing scientific project based on prediction, prevention, and patient participations. We call it Fungal Case Finder with integrative platform. This platform is based on innovative software for data collections and fungal infections predictions, also completed with new sampling tools. In addition, Serbian Society of Medical Mycology have great pleasure to be chosen as a local organizer of the prestigious international meeting for medical mycology here in Belgrade in Serbia. We are proud to have organized Trends in Medical Mycology in Belgrade in 2017, as well as Third Balkan Fungus meeting in 2024. During this meeting, we presented the results of the Fungal Case Finder project and distinguished participants from the region and abroad presented the latest achievement in medical mycology. This was especially valuable for our young scientists. Up to now, Serbian Society of Medical Mycology have educated several hundred doctors, biologists, and researchers. And the key pillar of our future activity is to bring the solution as close as possible to the patients. So, our vision for 2025 is to continue contributing to development of global and national guidelines to attract more young professionals through new platforms such as fungal art and innovation in medical mycology, and to extend our collaboration both regionally and globally. On behalf of our members, I wish all participants of ECMID 2025 successful work. Thank you.